Please join me in the kitchen as my friend Suzette demonstrates how she does her amazingly delicious scalloped potato. Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. And today, my friend Suzette will be sharing with you how she does her own scalloped potato. So, in boiling water, she have added some salt and some olive oil. Next, she will add her potatoes. They have been sliced about 2 centimeters thin, and she will boil for about 10 minutes or until tender. Now, guys, I want to welcome my new subscribers. Remember to hit the like button, turn on your post notification, and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Now, guys, as you can see, she actually drained the water from the potatoes. But guys, if you're not a pro, please just use a sieve and drain the water away from the potato. She then moved to grease the bottom of her foil pan and the sides. Now guys, whatever grease you want to use, it's up to you. For her, she's just using a block of butter and grease it generously. I pause to celebrate my viewers and subscribers. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone you are celebrating, congratulations to you from Wim's Kitchen. Know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciates you. Now guys, as you know, things get a little bit busy in the kitchen sometimes. So the potatoes, some of them are overdone. So don't mind that, it works just the same way. She will layer her potatoes, kind of overlapping them so that there is no space between the bottom layer of potatoes. Now next guys, she is going to move straight to adding a layer of cheese over this. Whatever cheese you want to use, it's fine. For her, she is using cheddar cheese, the actual sliced ones, because she wants to layer them very close or even overlap. And then guys, she's gonna add a next layer of potato to this. This looks awesome. And of course, she said her scalloped potato is one of the best. Now guys, you can add whatever additives you want to your scalloped potato. Make it yours. Do it with your kids and make it a family event. Now guys, this is awesome. And I'm sure you are liking the video. So drop some thumbs up and let me know that you are enjoying this video. Next guys, she add another layer of potato, as I said earlier. And then she add to that a final layer of cheese. For some persons, they like to add sour cream and cream cheese to their scalloped potato. Whatever you want, it's up to you. Next, she'll add some creamer to this, and then she'll bake it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. It's now time for the food for thought. It comes to us from 1 Peter 5 verse 7, and it says, "Cast all your cares on him because he cares for us." What a beautiful promise. We have a Savior that we can cast our cares on at any time. There is no need to fear because we know he cares for us. All right, family and friends, so after 25 minutes, this is what it looks like. The color is beautiful, the texture is great, and it smells wonderful. Now guys, I am so thankful that you've spent the time in the kitchen with me. Thank you so much for joining me and Auntie Sue in the kitchen, where she did for you her scalloped potato Jamaican style. And so it's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe if you have not already done so. Save my video to your favorite playlist and share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. I'll see you next week.